What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about the 24-liter Ironclad Viking bags. Let's get into it. So these bags cost $399 USD at the time of purchase. They do come as a pair. If you get on the Viking bag website, there are some bags that they sell per side, but this kit specifically, the 24-liter Ironclad, come as a pair. They are like a metallic black. Paint looks really nice. The finish is really nice. And it does come with the Quick-Mount, what they call the Quick-Mount system. So these bags can quickly be taken off. And here, I'll demonstrate for you guys. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and make sure the bag is closed. I'm gonna latch it closed. Literally come around. You got your little drawstring back here, which I just realized actually has like some Velcro. So you could actually roll this up or just Velcro this to something behind the bag, so it's not just flopping around in the wind. I actually just saw that right now. So go ahead and pull that up, and there you go. Boom. So that's the quick release system. That's what the bracket looks like on the bike, as you guys can see. Literally two bolts right there, and boom, you got your whole quick mount system on there. And to put the bag back on, just as quick. So you can, I like to, when I'm putting them back on, I'll use this latch right here. Just makes it, I just feel like it's easier to push it down with my thumb like that. I hold it like that. Come back over here like so. And boom. The bag is back on, latched on there. Grab our key, like I said, go right inside. And the bag is locked to the bike. So if I pull on that string, it ain't coming out. All right, now that y'all seen, how the bag works, how it mounts on the bike, let's go ahead and hop on the bike and go for a ride. All right, guys, well, that is the 24-liter Ironclad quick release Viking bag system for the 2025 Kawasaki Eliminator SE. Again, this has completely transformed my bike, man. Like, not having to wear a backpack anymore just to carry like simple little things is amazing. So they look great. I mean, they look OEM. They match the black perfectly. I like how it has like the metallic in the paint. It's not just like a plain black paint. Like, they definitely went over and beyond on the finish on these bags. The logo, I mean, looks amazing. And yeah, man, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Any support on the channel is great. And yeah, take it easy, guys.